We'll guide you through how to outline from Procreate to AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to turn their drawings from Procreate Pocket into clean, scalable vector files using Adobe Illustrator. Start by opening Procreate Pocket on your device and wait for it to fully load. Create a new canvas to begin your project. When setting up the canvas, choose a high resolution to ensure your artwork remains sharp and detailed. Select a hard brush so you can create a clean outline with crisp edges. Choose the black color from the color panel to make your lines bold and clear. Carefully draw your outline, making sure the lines are steady and well-defined. Confirm that your background is white so the outline stands out clearly. Avoid using soft brushes because they can create blurry or uneven edges. Zoom in closely and clean up the edges of your drawing to remove any rough or shaky marks. Make your line solid by going over any faint or broken sections. If you have a sketch layer underneath, remove it so only the final outline remains visible. Keep only the clean outline layer in your document. Check carefully that your outline is fully closed with no open gaps, as this is important for vector conversion. Tap the Actions menu, then tap Share to open the export options. Choose to export your file as a PNG. Save the image to your device so it is ready to transfer. Next, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer and create a new document. Go to the File menu and select Place to prepare for importing your artwork. Import your PNG outline into the document. Click on the image to make sure it is selected. Open the Image Trace panel to begin converting the raster image into a vector. Choose the preset called Black and White Logo for best outline results. Adjust the threshold slider until the lines appear clean and accurate. Increase the paths setting to achieve sharper detail. Reduce the noise setting if small, unwanted specks appear. Click Expand to convert the traced result into editable vector paths. Ungroup the object if necessary. Then save your final file as an AI file.